So here we are with this DNT, whatever it is, in a Catswhister box. Now working. Spent about 4 hours on this, which is a total waste of time, but there you go. Let's see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, did you receive that?
No, negative, but I've got you now.
Roger, was the volume down?
No, might be your radio.
Oh yeah, it's playing that game. About a second delay, it's not too bad, so bear that in mind. Right, coming up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane, and I did switch the radio on at 3 o'clock this afternoon in the hope that it might be warm enough to work, seeing as it's now -4 outside.
Yeah, I'll say Roger that again, because you might not have got that. Right, we're now passing Ancaster Service Station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Service Station.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Right, we're now going over the top of the hill. Let's go down in towards Wilsford over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you at Scratchy Corner. I'm doing 3.5 watts over.
Receiver.
Roger.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Right, we're now passing the Grayleys turn.
Tango 21, getting you at the Grayleys turn.
Tango 21 from Mississippi. We're now going over Rossby Level Crossing.
Roger, got you at Rossby Level Crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you.
Roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Okay, well that worked fairly well, didn't it? So, yes, he's got himself an ordinary CB radio now instead of a cell call CB radio. It doesn't work. Let's go over to the base station, because normally if it's retained its transmit circuitry without modification, these sound very good, the DNT M40 and the LCL 2740 and whatever else it's based on.
Tango 21, testing the cat call CW1580P into our Harris CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it should sound exactly like the DNT B4 to the oil